Subtitle Editor A Semkin Korrektor A Egorova Hi guys.
With you all Gear Tech channel, and today we will briefly run through our production, show you how auger products are manufactured at our production facility, as well as equipment for auger production. Let's go. So guys, behind me is the underpainting area. Right here is some auger lying around for our customers who have ordered from us. We do all kinds of auger products to individual specifications. As I have already said, there are augers that are being painted, then they will be packed and sent to the customer. Here in the background, I already have the packaged screws lying in front of me. Let's look at their geometry. That is, these are the screws we make at our production facilities. This is a 9-meter auger, which is also made according to the customer's individual specifications. That is, we receive a request, we design drawings according to the customer's task and ship directly screw products for any purpose. Also, friends, we work with stainless steel. Here you can see the manufacturing process of the tedder right here. This tedder, as I said, is manufactured from stainless steel, and in the background I have the direct argon welding process of this auger. Here the part is being set up, and also this auger will be shipped to our satisfied customer. We manufacture augers from a thick wall of the plant. The result is this thick 9-meter auger. Now you can see the manufacturing process. You can see that it's made of thick walled metal. And you can see that the manufacturing process is also customized. Friends, in the background to me, you can now see the manufacturing process for the thermo-rotatic augers. That is, we also open this position. We work with agricultural enterprises. We make augers for feeders absolutely for different manufacturers. That is, we are able to go to the customer to measure the seats and directly make an exact copy of the same auger, which stood on the feeder and worn out. Therefore, we are ordered by people who have feeders, customers who have their own agricultural enterprises, and we directly replace these consumables in the form of augers. We also produce not only augers, but also the auger coils themselves, so people often order them. You can see, here are different items packaged in front of me. These are half auger turns. You see, there is a perfect geometry here. They are all one-to-one. Our quality is top-notch. You can see here, there are some screws, which were also sent to us by the customer according to the technical specifications. We made them too. They are lying like this, all packed. They will also be sent to the customer soon. You may be wondering how we make these turns of the screw. I have a bending section in the background. These machines produce screw coils of perfect geometry. You can see that, yes, in the previous picture. We also manufacture these machines, we export them. So you can also buy this equipment for bending screw coils by clicking on the link in the description. Let me remind you that our machines are capable of bending from 2 mm thick workpieces up to 50 mm. Also, our equipment is able to produce tapered screws, that is, variable outer and inner diameter. Everything is automated, CNC control is present, and these machines fulfill their function to the hilt. So, friends, we are now in the area where we manufacture solid drawn screws. You can see behind me the products that are about to be loaded into these augers. The augers are used in agricultural machinery, also in other applications. In this case, these augers will be used in combines. You see what volumes we perform. That is, as you can already understand from the previous shots, from these shots, that we are engaged in absolutely any kind of auger production, and we are also engaged in manufacturing of equipment that optimizes any kind of auger production, that is welding rotators. Machines for flexible augers and the auger products themselves. So, guys, you can order these products on the car. Let's summarize our issue today. We ran through our production, showed you the products that we produce. In front of me is the shop we are building. It will be a pure assembly shop. The enterprise is developing, customers are satisfied. Accordingly, this is the reason for the growth of the enterprise. We are building new shops, creating new jobs. Therefore, friends, let's jointly develop the screw direction all over the world. You can order our equipment, as well as screw products at the link in the description. There will also be contact information where you can send your inquiry by mail or call. The manager will consult you, and we will cooperate with you. I bid you farewell, thank you for your attention, and see you in the next issues.